If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Baigan ka bharta or mashed eggplant or mashed brinjal curry is a very famous North Indian recipe that's loved by many. But if you do not get eggplant or brinjal, how do you relish this bharta? Simple. Today I'll show you how to make zucchini bharta. That's in no way less than the typical bharta. Just learn the tips to perfect bharta here. Note the ingredients and let's get started. List is also given in description below. First of all, we'll take oil or tel and grease an oven-proof tray with it. And now take your zucchini and massage it well with that oil. Just a little bit oil is needed, about half a teaspoon. Also massage garlic or listen. Put in the oven tray. Tomato is also massaged, and now everything goes in the oven and broil on high for about 45 minutes. If you do not have broil option, you can bake in preheated oven for 45 minutes. I have tried both the things and both are done perfectly well. So check in between, and you may have to flip the zucchini. And after it's done, and when the zucchini and everything cools well, remove the garlic peel. Also remove the peel from tomatoes and zucchini. Also cut the edges of the zucchini. And to remove zucchini skin, I'll tell you an easier way. Just start mashing it. When you mash it, the skin comes off easily. So you see the skin is coming out so easily. Remove these peels, the skin of zucchini, discard them. And now mash everything well. The garlic, tomato and zucchini. Here, heat oil or tel in a pan. Add in cumin seeds or zira. Finely chopped onion or pyaz. Also finely chopped ginger or adrak. This gives a nice taste to the bharta. Do not skip this ingredient, the ginger. And when they turn little golden, add in the mashed veggies. Everything till now has been cooking on medium heat only. And sorry my dear friends, we need a wider pan to cook this bharta. This will help it cook faster. It dries faster. So put it in a bigger pan. You start with the bigger pan only, okay? And now add in salt and red chilli powder, both things to your taste. Increase the heat to high and keep stirring it constantly on high or medium high heat until it dries and looks like this. Now time to add in finely chopped cilantro or hara dhania, coriander powder or dhania powder. Also add in green chillies and or red chili flakes to your taste. These are optional. Before serving, you may want to add some lemon juice if you love tangy or sour taste. Enjoy this bharta with roti, paratha, puri or even rice. Make it once and I'm sure you are going to ask for more. Thanks for watching.